Hello friends, welcome to the Kabil Bano program on MS Word. This is lesson 2.3 using the insert feature part 4. In the earlier parts we have looked at some of the most important features of Microsoft Word, which is basically using charts, using smart arts, using shapes, using tables. Apart from that, some minor functions like using cover page, blank page, let's say some pictures. So today, in this video, we are going to look at some of the other important features for Microsoft Word. Now, let's say that there are these sentences which are written, okay? And let's say this sentence is incorrect. And I have sent this document to my friend or to my boss. Now, my boss, instead of pointing out in an email, okay, Sandeep, you have made a mistake here, instead of doing that, what can be done is he will use the comment, so comment feature. So basically, he will select this particular portion which is wrong and insert, click on comment. Now, as soon as somebody does that, you can post a comment here. Let's say this is wrong and needs to be modified. Needs to be modified. Okay, and press enter. Click outside that. So you will get to know that this at this particular point there is a comment, right? Now again, how you can modify the comment? You can modify the comment by right clicking on that, and you would get different options. For example, reply to comment. So for example, if Imtiaz has sent me something that okay, this is wrong and needs modification, I can reply to that comment, or I can delete this comment. I can mark this comment done. Okay, I have done this. Whatever you told, I have done that. So all these can be done, right? So this is possible, right? And you can, what you can also do is you can define, you can post a new comment. So everything, all these things can be done. So this is about the comments part. Okay, so this is how you can insert a comment. And header and footer, let's look at header and footer. Okay, so what is a header? Header means something which will be there at the top of each document or on a page, which page you select. So that will be a header. So for example, let's just click on a header. So you will be getting some, let's say, templates. For example, there is this template in which there is just, you can write just one thing here. There are 3 columns which you can write in this particular template. So let's just look at that. So as soon as you click on that, see, this is the top of the page and you can type something here. For example, Kabil Bano. And here you can type, let's say, MS Word. And here you can type lesson 2.3, right? And after writing all the things, you need to go beyond this line. You have to come out of this line and double click on outside the line. So as soon as you do that, you have inserted the header, and you do not need to apply the header to every other page manually. See, this is the second page and the header has been applied, right? So this is how you insert a header. You can also insert a footer. Footer means something which will come at the bottom. So for example, let's put this one as the footer. So again, so this is here. So let's type in www.kabilbano.com. Go outside this line and double click. So you have put in your footer as well. So this is how you put in a footer, right? Let's look at page numbers. You can insert a page number on at the top of the page, just like this, or in the middle, or on the right hand side. You can insert it at the bottom as well, right? You can insert page margins as well. So what? Let's put the page numbers at the bottom. Let's say on the right hand side. So this is the most common thing, right? So this is the page number, right? So this is how we insert a page number. Fine. So you've seen this page number, header and footer, right? Okay. So this is it. Now let's see how we can insert a text box. You must have clearly seen that there are many documents which in which you would be finding very beautiful text boxes. So let's see how you can insert a text box. So just click on text box once and you will see different templates. So for example, if you want a text box like this, which is a banded code. So for example, there is a color band with coordinating text block. Just click on this and you will be seeing something like this. And let's move this up so that I can show you exactly how you can fit a text box. So let's just, I want to use this text box where there is some text. Just hold on for a second. Okay. So you saw that there are these different sentences here, right? There were these different sentences. And what I've basically done is I have inserted a box here. And if you move the box to this side, all the text will get adjusted accordingly. This is how you can insert a text box. So you clearly see such kind of text boxes being used in different kinds of reports, in different kinds of, let's say, thesis reports as well. So for example, you can write something important here, what this report contains. You must have seen even in books, right? Even in books you see different texts, all the important material written here and all the summary which is written in text boxes just at the left hand side or the right hand side. So we can write something, let's say what this report contains: introduction, then introduction, then limitations. So this is how you can insert a text box. And obviously you can see that there are different kinds of text boxes available, right? Just click outside this. You can see that there are different text boxes available. For example, you can also insert a text box like this. So text boxes can be different, the format can be different, right? And you can adjust this at any stage, at any point, at any location in this Word document. So you can just change it, right? So this is how you can change, how you can insert a text box. A word art is typically another beautiful form of representing things. So for example, you can type in your text here, you can just click on this and you can, so this is nothing but, if you go to the home page, if you go to the font type, this is nothing but a font type. Again, you can see here also that you can add extra effects on the text. So this is that. So other things you do not need that much. Okay, so let's just see another important thing, object. So for example, you want to insert a an object on this Word document. Let's say you want to insert an object. This object can be a Microsoft PowerPoint, this can be a video, this can be anything else. So let's see that you want to insert a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so you have to display this as an icon. So this will be shown here. So it is now possible with Word that you will just use one word and you can insert a PowerPoint here. It is possible, right? So this is how you can insert a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation as well. Similarly, you can insert, let's say I want to insert this. So this is a PDF document which I want to insert here. So I will not only I will display this as an icon. So this will automatically be covered here, and whenever somebody will click on this particular document, it will open that document, right? So this is how you insert different objects. It could be a picture, it could be a Microsoft presentation, it could be, let's say, another PDF document to which you want to link this current Word document to. You can do that, right? So you can also add date and time for this particular thing, and it will be automatic. You can also update it automatically. So even this is possible. You can also insert an equation, for example, a binomial theorem, expansion of a sum. There are many more equations that you can insert. So insert, if you want to write your own equation, you can type your own equation. For example, 1, and then you can, let's say, is equal to, let's say 5, 4. So you can insert any other equation that you want through this particular feature. Another thing is symbols. So just click on this and you can add any symbols that you want. For example, if you want beta, you can add beta. If you want, let's say, this is a registered trademark sign, you can insert that. So there are a lot of things that you can do with insert feature. There is one more thing which can be of some interest. So two more things actually. The first thing is that you can add an online video as well. So if you want, you can search for videos and you can insert links for videos in this document. Just click on this. You will be getting some search just like the one that came up when you were trying to link in online pictures. So for example, if you want to search, let's say, Skillscape International, that was the name of the company earlier. So if you want to search that, you will be getting different videos. So for example, these are the different videos that are there. If you want to just embed one of the videos, for example, let's see that we will embed this mock webinar 3. You can insert this, right? So you can insert this, and whenever you double click on that, it will get played. So this is how you can insert a video as well. So just imagine that this is fantastic feature which has been there in the Microsoft Word document, right? So these are some of the most important things that you need as far as Microsoft Word document is concerned. And through this video, we have completed the section on insert, how to use the different features that are there as a part of the insert feature. So this is clearly done. So we have shown you how to use, let's say, 70 to 80% of the most important features. So basically at the intermediate level of Microsoft Word, and we assume that outside your career, outside your educational life, and even when you are working, even if you have started working, these are the most important features that you would be using in Microsoft Word. So all of you should see these videos again and again to see how we have explained different features, right? Beyond this, I don't think most of you would need some of the most advanced features, right? Okay, so thank you so much for listening to this particular video. It was nice talking to you, and we would be coming back with the explanation of design in the next video. So I would explain how you can design your Microsoft Word document properly. Okay, thank you so much for listening to this video.